What's up guys, it's your boy DJ Y and we're back with another episode. You know that today whole music industry is celebrating premiere of new DMX album Exodus. Swizz Beatz, Rough Riders and friends reunited in studio and playing entire DMX album in Instagram Live. Here was the Queen Mary J Blige who was representing the zone. This was very emotional because she was crying while they were talking about DMX and remembering good old days.
With their talent, we not seeing this again. We better respect this now and understand.
Mary wanted it. Gave the chain, right? Gave the chain. But you said we have to love on our people right now. There's no reason to wait. So right now, so Mary wanted it. He said she got to get it right now, and it's true. We gotta.
Guys, DMX and Mary J Blige were like brothers and sisters. They had very strong and close relationship, and honestly, I feel her pain. Man, this is really big loss, but we have some big celebration because DMX legacy still lives on and will be forever. We have another beautiful story. Angie Martinez tells story of how Conway from Griselda gifted Mary J Blige with 100,000 chain at Swizz Beatz album listening party for DMX. Man, this is really crazy story, man. Conway is really very different guy, man. Honestly.
Tell it.
So,
just let me tell you. Let me tell you. Conway walked in here with all types of shit on his neck.
He going crazy.
He lit the whole room up, and Mary said,
I always wanted a chain of that thick, right?
And then Swizz said, hold on. Then he went over to Conway, and then he came back and he put the chain on Mary's neck.
And I started screaming and crying, and the rest is history. What I'm gonna do? What I'm gonna do now?
No, but this is the queen. When the queen, this is Mary. 100%. She saved 100%. So many queens' lives with her artistry and her music.
This is really big respect, man. Honestly, can't wait to hear Conway put this in a bar. He is most def a real one. No one would do that shit, man. Big shout out and respect to Griselda, Conway, Mary J Blige, Swizz Beatz, and rest in peace DMX, man. Guys, don't forget, we just support Exodus project because as I know, all the income goes to his family, man. They truly deserve it. Also, before I will finish the video, guys, I want to ask you a question of the day. Just tell me in comment section, which track is your favorite from Exodus project? My favorite track is Walking in the Rain with Nas and Exodus. This is really beautiful track, man. My favorite track, without doubt. Thanks for watching. If you like our vid, don't forget to subscribe YTV, get the notification bells and visit hiphoptvy.com. Rest in peace DMX, I love you big bro.